Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a fun electronic shooting target game I got for my son. It's used with Nerf guns and it's made by MagicFun. So the box includes the game console, 20 Nerf bullets, 2 face masks, and 2 hand wristbands. The game console is made of high quality ABS plastic and has lights and sound effects. It is battery operated and takes 3 AA batteries, which are not included. It can be played alone or with one person or as a competition with 2 or more players. It's great fun for anyone 3 years or older. Even adults can enjoy the game. There are 2 modes of operation of the target, a static mode and a running target mode. And in the back here is where you can change the modes from static or where it's moving. In the running or moving play mode, when all 3 targets are knocked down, the auto electronic computer will count 1 point.
Yep.
And when the counter reaches 30, the LED screen will reset to 0.
And it's a lot of fun.
The static mode, and you get 1 point for hitting all 3 targets. So let's go ahead and show you what the game looks like in action. So you see, if you turn it on the regular mode, it's the static mode, and the scoreboard will come up. So as you hit the targets, and as you see on the front here, it'll register the 1 point, and then, yep. So every time you hit all 3, you get another point.
Yes, and it's really fun. And I like it.
So then we'll show you here the
static mode.
Nope, that's the moving mode.
Oh, moving mode.
Yeah. So that's pretty, it makes it a little more difficult. You have a moving target. And see, then all 3 will come back up.
And the moving mode has a timer for 20 seconds.
That's right.
Which is 2 10s and 0 1s.
That's right. That's right. And it's pretty cool. I actually like these little face masks. These are the kind that I like to use. The ones that are kind of like the tube that you put over your head and then you can put it over your face.
Yeah.
Those are nice. So that's a cool bonus that it comes with those.
And some wristbands.
And it comes with a little screwdriver. You know, you need to take this off, which is nice, so you don't have to have any extra tools. You want to put this on your wrist, we can show that. That's pretty nifty here. So you can just have it right there on your wrist. Pull it a little.
And then if you run out of stuff, you can just grab one out and put it in.
Exactly. See, so that's pretty cool. And you can have one on each. Or if you're doing 2-player, then each person gets to have one. So that's cool.
Yeah.
So it's really, I hadn't seen that before. That's a nifty little thing to have. So, you know, you could use this with any Nerf gun.
I am ready.
Woo!
Yippoo!
All right.
2 more chances, Will. 5 more chances.
Yes! You got a point.
1 more. Let's go.
Oops.
Yay!
Okay. Woohoo! Oh! You're getting good at this. Woohoo! Yay!
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, you got a countdown timer. Countdown timer! Woo! See how many you can get before the time's out on you. Woo! Oh gosh! You got 2. 5 seconds left. Woo! You Round 2. My turn.
Round 2.
My turn. Wait.
Oh my god, it's like Pac-Man.
Okay. Yeah.
That is so funny.
Yeah.
Whew. You got.
Come on, do it. Do it, do it, do it. We're getting loaded. You have a chance.
Goodies for me.
More good times for me. Oh, knocked one. Knocked one.
Woo!
Got it. Okay. Hey!
Woo!
Yes! Double.
Woo!
Oh, so close. I think if I keep practicing, I'm gonna get really, really, really good at this. Yes! A lot more size.
Thanks for watching. Woohoo!